confused when they tell me you're not yourself. Trying to move, but it's hard, I'm out of breath. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, we're running in circles, circle of food.